Okay, didn't even notice. Was doing school. Had that door open for a little bit. Heard some noise. And then there's this. A bird in my window. In my kitchen window. Trying to get out. This is freaky. I don't know how it got in. It's a cool bird though. Like, I'm gonna try and let it out. I had that door open over there. This is weird. I know, Charlie. I know, it's a bird. And it's in our house because somehow... Let me make sure there's no other... I know it's not dangerous, but I gotta find a way to open that window up. Let the bird out. This is kind of cool. Also, like, okay, there's a bird. I'm not afraid of the bird. You can see Charlie going the fuck. Yeah, not so. Fuck. Okay. There's a screen on that one, right? Okay, so... Why does this happen to us? Like, I mean, the mice, the bat... this is just a... It's fun living in the country. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this bird out. Yeah, so... Give me a second. Let me figure this out. We'll be right back with another video. Okay? This is Jake coming back. We'll come back, okay? Just Jake going off now.